Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to Bisaya Cebuano lessons. And today we are going to discuss about verbs: run, eat, and jump. So before I start, I would like to share with you that I about the poll the poll that I created in my website www.cebuano101.com. This is about if you like that I break down each sample sentences word for word. So in the website, 11 have already voted. 63.6% voted yes, and 36.4% voted no. Let me know your preference in the comments by saying yes, please continue, or just typing no. Translation is all I need. So you can just put yes or no. That's all I need to know. And if you have any recommendations on how I present my lessons, I might consider it in the future. But the reason why I basically break it down word for word because I appreciate it when I was learning the Japanese and Korean languages not so long ago. And I really like it that the teachers break it down word for word. It gives me more understanding, the context, and it enhanced my vocabulary as well. At the same time, it also taught me the culture through the phrases and sentences that they broken down. Okay, so I want to know what are your thoughts on this. Just type yes or no. And for those beginners or for those who are first timers in my YouTube channel, I just want to tell you guys that my channel is about conversational Cebuano. Okay, so I am not going to discuss the technicalities of the grammar, but what I'm trying to do here is help you guys fast track your learning so that you'll be able to converse to your family and friends here in the Visayas area. If you're looking for those grammar technicalities, this channel is not for you. Okay? And I am not a linguist who has a certificate. I am not a PhD whatsoever, so I am a native speaker who is trying to share my knowledge to all of you so that you'll be able to, once you come here, you'll be able to immediately converse like a local. So I'm going to teach you phrases and sentences that are actually being used in the real world, in the day-to-day conversation. There might be some English word here and there, a few of them that has Bisaya accent because that's what is commonly used in the real world. Okay, so it's not just 100% Bisaya. And I am not teaching the traditional Bisaya language like the one you find in the Bible, Bisaya Bible. Not like that. What is the current real world conversation? That's what I'm teaching you guys. Let's proceed to our lesson. Let's start with run. So run, the root word is dagan. Dagan. Present is run or running. Nagdagan or gadagan. Gadagan. Past is ran. Nagdagan, midagan, or nidagan. Future will run or will be running. Mudagan or magdagan. Command or imperative, should run or must run. Pagdagan. Okay, now let's go to present or imperative. We have here dagan, run. Dagan, run. Okay. And then next we have nganong nagdagan man ka. Why are you running? Nganong nagdagan man ka? Why are you running? Ngano, nganong is why. And then nagdagan is running. Ka is you. Then the man here is an emphasis to make the sentence on the softer side or to sound more polite. Okay. And next, in the past, nidagan ang bata pagkita niya sa iro. Nidagan ang bata pagkita niya sa iro. So, for those newcomers, please do check out in my playlist. There is how to construct Bisaya sentences there. There is a video there. You might want to check on that first before going to um, other videos like this one. Okay. And then, okay, let's proceed. The kid ran when he or she saw the dog. Nidagan ang bata pagkita niya sa iro. The kid ran when he or she saw the dog. Nidagan is ran. Ang here is the. The ang here is like a subject marker. Bata is kid. Pagkita is like the moment when when the kid saw the dog. Okay, pagkita. Okay, niya is he or she. Right, sa is the. Okay, sa is in, on, at, the, for in the English language. Iro is dog. Now let's go to the feature. Kusog mo dagan si Bolt. Bolt runs fast. Kusog mo dagan si Bolt. Bolt runs fast. So kusog is fast. Other meaning is energy, force, glutton, loud, rate, speedy, strength, strong, swift, vigor, violence. Okay, but in this sentence, it means fast. Mudagan runs. C is also a subject marker that is followed by a name, by a noun. Okay, bolt. Right. Next. Command, ayaw pagdagan. Ayaw pagdagan. Don't run. Ayaw pagdagan. Don't run. Ayaw is don't, and then pagdagan is run. Then next we have pagdagan ha. Pagdagan ha. This is actually more of like asking the person to run. Maybe you're asking someone to buy something at the sari-sari store and you want him to come back as fast as he could. So you want him to run. You tell him, pagdagan ha. The ha here is to make the favor, asking for favor a little bit on the softer side. Okay. You don't put man here because it doesn't apply. It will sound incorrect. So the use of ha is much applicable here. So pagdagan ha. So the thought here, you must run. You want the person to come back fast as he could. Next, let's go to eat. Root word is kaon. Present is eating. Past is ate and future is will eat. Will eat. So present nagkaon, gakaon. Past is nagkaon or mikaon or nikaon. And the future is mukaon or magkaon. So here the present, nagkaon ko karon og pizza. I am eating pizza right now. Nagkaon ko pizza karon. Nagkaon ko karon og pizza. Nagkaon ko karon og pizza. I'm eating pizza right now. So nagkaon is eating, ko is I, karon is right now, and then og is I also have a video about this. And what's the difference between og, og, and og, ug? So og can be an indefinite marker like a or an in the English, and it can also be an objective article. So I strongly suggest you watch that. And then, yeah, that's it. So let's go to the second example here. Gakaon siya og sinugbang manok. He or she is eating grilled chicken. Gakaon siya og sinugbang manok. He or she is eating grilled chicken. So gakaon is eating. Siya is he or she. And then sinugbang manok. Sinugba is the root word here. It means grilled. Okay. And then there is an ng here. It is actually a contracted nga, 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 the nga linker. But if we want to shortcut it, you just put ng at the end of sinugba. So basically, grilled chicken, we say sinugbang manok or sinugba nga manok. But if you want a shortcut, you say sinugbang manok. All right? Manok is chicken. Now let's go to the past form. Past, nikaon ko og lechon sisig sa Robinson's Mall kagahapon. Nikaon ko og lechon sisig sa Robinson's Mall kagahapon. I ate lechon sisig at Robinson's Mall yesterday. So I'm referring to the Robinson's Fuente. Okay? If you have been to Robinson's Fuente, let me know in the comments. So, nikaon kog lechon. So, let's go to nikaon. Nikaon is 8. Alright, so ko is I, and then og, I already discussed that. Lechon sisig is a dish made from pig's head. It has some mayonnaise, some vinegar, and some chilies. So if you want to check on how to cook that, I also have a video on that one. So check Judy's cooking playlist if you want to know how to cook lechon sisig. Sa is at. Kahapon kagahapon is yesterday. Every time I go to Robinson's Fuente, at the grocery, near the grocery, there is a lechon sisig stall, okay? There is a stall there selling lechon sisig, and just there are there are tables there near that stall. Usually I find few Caucasian men who are with sometimes who are with their girlfriend or family, but usually that's where these Caucasian men gather, you know. And it's so nice seeing them. I don't know, maybe it's just a Filipino thing, you know, when you see foreigners you just like it. And yep, now let's proceed to another phrase sentence. Next is nikaon na kadong. Nikaon na kadong. Have you eaten already, dong? So nikaon means eaten. The na here is already. Okay. The ka here is actually you. Okay, now let's go to the future. We have here mukaon pa ko and mukaon ko. And another one example is mukaon ko karon. So here, mukaon pa ko. The pa here actually would change the context, okay? I still have to eat. Mukaon pa ko, I still have to eat. So the pa here is still. Okay? And then mukaon here, mukaon ko, I will eat. Mukaon is will eat. Okay, and now here the difference is karon. So karon means now. I will eat now. Okay? So another one example here. Magkaon gani ta dapat dili magsagapsap ang baba. Magkaon gani ta dapat dili magsagapsap ang baba. So the thought here is actually like you want the person or maybe your kids, you want them to close their mouth when eating, okay? So when eating, okay, let's go to the translation. Magkaon is eating. Gani or gali is to emphasize a point or to agree with someone. Okay? The ta here, it means us or we, shortcut of kita. And then dapat is should. Dili means not or no. Magsagapsap ang baba. It means make sounds like a pig eating. Okay? Magsagapsap. Can you repeat magsagapsap 10 times? I just find it funny when I tried to repeat it 10 times, like magsagapsap, 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 magsagapsap. Anyway, I just find that so funny. Anyway, next. Next slide. Now let's go to the verb jump. So in this case, it is quite different for jump. Okay, you will find repetitive words. Okay, word duplication is very common. Maybe because there is a constant doing of such action. That's why there is a repetition of words. Okay, so let's now go to the root word first. We have three choices here. We have ambak, lukso, layat. Ambak, lukso, layat. Okay, present here, jump or jumping. Nag-ambak. Oh, okay, I forgot to change this. Basically, so disregard this one here. This is actually the correct one. Okay, for the present is nag-ambak-ambak or naglukso-lukso or naglayat-layat. It means jumping. Okay, for the past is say niambak, nilayat, or nilukso. Okay, jumped. And then for future is muambak, mulayat, or mulukso. Okay, I forgot to put K here. Sorry, guys. It means will jump. Okay, in this one here, will be jumping, mag-ambak-ambak, mag-lukso-lukso, mag-layat-layat. Okay, I found an amazing article about word duplication at www.binisaya.com. So this is the excuse me, this is the address, okay, website address. I will leave this address at the um, description. You can check on this one. It is a very good article to read about word duplication. Um, it's a great article for you. Somehow will give you a good idea why such word duplication exists. Okay, and I think there are also word duplication in the Hawaiian language and some other Asian countries. Okay, here now let's go to our example. Here, nag-ambak-ambak si Judy. Judy is jumping. Okay. Another one here. Ni ambak ko kay nahadlok ko sa iro. Ni ambak ko kay nahadlok ko sa iro. I jumped because I got scared of the dog. Okay. Ni ambak is jump. Ko is I. Kay is because. Kay. So when you're giving reason, you just use kay. That means because. Nahadlok is got scared. Sa is like of the. Okay, and then iro is dog. Next, another example here is muambak jud ko sa kalipay. Muambak jud ko sa kalipay. I will really jump for joy. Okay. Muambak is will jump. Jud, okay, is really. Okay. Jud, when you hear jud, it's like an emphasis. Okay. And then ko, we know that sa is for, and then kalipay is joy. From the root word lipay. Lipay means joy. Kalipay is also joy. Okay. Next, let's go to command or imperative. This is a little bit different because this one here, it has mang and then pang. Okay, mangambak, we will or we shall jump. Pangambak, we shall or must jump. Okay, this is an example here. Mangambak me, we shall jump or we will jump. Okay, mangambak me. Next is pangambak mo kay naay sunog. So you guys should jump because there's fire. So pangambak mo kay na ay sunog. You guys should jump because there's fire. So pangambak is you should jump. Okay? It's like you are instructing them to jump now. Okay. Mo is you guys. Okay, so you need to watch also the pronouns lesson. Okay. And then the kai here again is because naa or naay is have or there is. Okay. Sunog is fire. Okay. So that's the lesson for this week. So visit my playlist. Judy Cebuano. That is the Cebuano playlist, and do visit my website www.cebuano101.com. I'll see you maybe after 2 weeks because I have I still have to update the website, and at the same time I am also working with another website for our apartment. I am slowly doing the website for our apartment, but mostly I'll be doing the updating of the Cebuano 101 website. Okay, so I'll see you again after 2 weeks, and I'll still be talking about verbs because there's a lot of verbs that you guys need to know and how to use them. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to see more of this, and then don't forget to like, and see you next time. Bye bye.